Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video for you if you're thinking about buying the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus. Like, what are the cons that you need to know, like important things. So I just wanted to share these things here. So the first thing you can see right here, that the height. The robot's height makes it difficult to fit under some furniture, so this is something that you have to be aware of. So check the dimensions of it and check, like for example, if you have like, let's say under a bed, just the opening. So if you have a furniture that they're not like really they don't have the space like under it, therefore just check if the dimensions are going to be fine. Another thing is edge cleaning. Edge cleaning is not up to premium standards, so regards the edge, this is not like really amazing for it. Then also cold drying of mops. The mops are only dry with cold air, which might be less effective. And noise. The device is noisy, particularly when emptying the dustbin or washing the mops. So these are the 4 cons that I just wanted to prepare. It's still really good. You have well packaged delivery, simple and intuitive setup, large containers for water, and as you can see right here, that you need to have a space for it. Flexible cleaning options, automatic water refilling, fast and precise mapping, excellent obstacle detection, strong battery life. Just be aware of the cons. I just want to make this quick and effective video for you. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.